Hi, my name is Mike Fraser, and I'm a regional sales director here at Telit. Welcome to our Telit Coffee Connection series. Today I'll be talking with you about certified modems, modules, and chipsets, and how to make the right choice for your cellular product design. It's a topic that often comes up with our customers, in particular those who might be starting their first cellular design. And the choice of whether to use a certified modem, do a module-based design, or a chip-down design is an important one, and it'll have a significant impact on your time to market, the R&D budget for your program, the certification costs required, as well as the cost of the device itself. Now, the decision process can vary depending on which cellular technology you're planning to use, since the costs and requirements are different for high category LTE or 5G compared to a low power wide area technology like CAT-M1 or NB-IoT. But as a general rule of thumb, we typically recommend certified modems for applications where you expect the annual volume to be less than 5,000 units. Since it's a more integrated product, which reduces the amount of engineering work required, and the certifications are already completed for you, this shortens your time to market. The trade-off being the ASPs for certified modems are higher than a module. This can be a great way to get to market quickly, and then if your volumes increase later, you can migrate to a module-based design in the future. Telit has a number of partners who offer certified modems using our modules, and we can connect you with one of their team members if this is determined to be the best option for your program. Now, at the other end of the spectrum is the chip down design. The business case for this really only makes sense if you're going to be building multiple millions of units per year. The amount of engineering work required to complete a chip down design is extensive, so this will extend your development schedule and impact your time to market. There are also significantly larger certification costs required for a chip down design, so you'll need to budget for that as well. This type of design is often used for mobile phones, tablets, or other high volume applications that can absorb these costs across the large number of units being produced. Now, this brings us to the third option, which is a module based design. This is the best option for a large portion of the market, including projects with annual volumes of greater than 5,000 units, all the way up to 1 or 2 million units per year. The engineering effort required is significantly less than the chip down design, which allows you to get your product to market faster. Now, there can be certifications required for your end device, and this is determined by the country you plan to deploy in and the carrier network you plan to utilize. However, the testing and costs of these certifications are substantially reduced since Telit completes regulatory, industry, and carrier-specific certifications at the module level. Lastly, there's the benefit of the lower device cost of the module compared to a certified modem, which helps lower your bill of materials cost for the end device. So that was a brief high-level overview of certified modems versus modules versus chipsets and the factors to consider to ensure you make the best choice for your cellular design. If you want to learn more, our team of experts is standing by to help. Please feel free to schedule a meeting with us to discuss your specific program requirements. I look forward to talking with you soon.